All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, sometimes borrowing tools sucks. I've made videos about this kind of stuff, but unfortunately, realization is that sometimes borrowing tools can suck. Perfect example is this Cornwell slide hammer kit. We had an employee here, I suspect, can't confirm it, but I suspect, because he used my slide hammer kit a bunch and kept it for a while, stole some pieces out of my slide hammer kit. They're just gone. And unfortunately, I don't have a Cornwell dealer. And then Billy stripped out one of my heads. So basically half the kit was no longer useful because one of the other adapters got bent pretty badly. I bent the adapter trying to press in a CV axle that wound up taking a torch and Big Nasty and a whole lot to get it to move. Long story short, that kit was basically done after everything going on. Now Billy stripped out the one adapter. He came, told me, he's like, I'll buy you a new one. And I'm like, no, it's been used by everybody in the shop, so no big deal. So I'll use the new kit to kind of show you what happened. So these arms are gone out of my old kit. And I know former employee was using them. This cone, gone. This adapter, gone. Which was in the wrong spot. This adapter, because if you don't know, the kit comes with a forcing screw. You can put it in here and try to force a CV axle back. Well, I bent the snot out of this one. And, you know, I knew I bent it. I bent to the point where it should have been replaced. But when Billy stripped out this, it was over. So I got a new kit. But on the other side of it, if I'd been the only one using this kit, I wouldn't have had to replace it. Now, I don't mind helping the guys in the shop with tools they don't own. Cole's actually purchased his own, so there's another one up in the upper shop. But the stripping it out doesn't bother me. You know, Billy came and told me, like he should. The missing parts is what bothers me. Those parts are not used often. Like, I might have used them a handful of times, but it's the fact that somebody used my tool, kept parts out of it, or didn't put them back where they belong, and now I've got to replace a tool that I might not have replaced. Figure if those pieces were there, my Matco dealer could have sold me these. They're a dime a dozen as far as actual parts, and then I could have warrantied it with him if I destroyed them. But anyway, so if you're borrowing tools, golden rule, return them in the condition which you got them. If you break them, tell them, replace them, etc., etc., etc. Don't do that. Don't take parts out of somebody else's tool. You know, that bugs the snot out of me. It's not people borrowing my tools. It's not bringing them back in the condition they got them in. You know, you break my tool, you know, a lot of it's lifetime warranty, just tell me. No big deal. But not putting all the parts back and bringing it back without knowing you didn't put all the stuff back, yeah. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.